Hey guys, it's Destiny, and today I will be creating a hot pink colorful look. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. And let's go ahead and get right into the video. To start off, I took the shade right above my crease. I then went ahead and took these shades and blended them in with the pink. I then took this brush with no product to blend everything together. I then cut my crease on both eyes. I then take concealer where I already cut my crease to give the shades I will be putting on top a better base to stick to. I then take these yellow shades and pat them onto the beginning of my lid. I then take this orange shade and blend it both with the yellow and the pink shades. I prime my face with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I then take the LA Girl Pro Conceal Foundation. I set my face with Airam translucent powder. I go ahead and bronze with a Too Faced Dark Chocolate Soleil bronzer. I then use a Tarte Cosmetics 24-Hour Blush. I then go ahead and finish up the eyes. I take the same orange and yellow shades and blend them along the waterline. I then take this e.l.f. baked highlighter. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye guys.